So you may be asking yourself, is it time to seek professional help? If you are questioning yourself at any point, is it time for me to talk to somebody about my balance? It's time to talk to somebody about your balance. But a couple of checkpoints that we like to look at to ensure people that it's time: if you've experienced a fall in the past month. We would like to catch things before they get to that point of a fall. But if you are already at that point, it's time to start working on some of those balance strategies to decrease the likelihood of another fall. If you have any feelings of unsteadiness or feel like you're off balance, I mentioned earlier, if you feel that you have to touch walls while you're walking throughout your house or grab onto furniture, those are signs that we can start working on that balance to decrease that reliance on external factors. If you use an assistive device, so has this assistive device ever been properly sized for you? Have you been taught how to incorporate this assistive device into your regular gait pattern so that a cane doesn't become a tripping hazard? Some people have difficulty coordinating that cane with their regular movement pattern, and they feel like they're getting tangled with it. So making sure that you are properly taught how to use that assistive device is a very important component. Other things, if you have a sense of moving or spinning while you're either standing or sitting still, sometimes it's a change of position. If you get up too quickly, you start to feel that. There's different things that we can look at that might be affected because of that. If you need help getting up from a chair, if you're somebody who relies heavily on your arms to push up from a chair, that may be an indicator that the muscles in the legs are weakening, and that then is going to, in turn, decrease that balance and put you at a higher risk for falls. And lastly on there, if there's any feelings of dizziness or lightheadedness. While some of these may be due to medication changes, it's important to discuss these so that you can determine what is the cause for your balance and the best action can be taken for that.